As featured on Forbes, the Piano Encyclopedia is revolutionizing the way people learn how to play the piano.
The Piano Encyclopedia presents the virtual piano. Be able to practice anywhere, play chords, play melodies, or play both at the same time using the Piano Encyclopedia's groundbreaking technology. While the virtual piano is not a replacement for a real instrument, it's enough for learning how to play and practicing your lessons. On a tablet, mobile, or any touch-enabled device, use your fingers to play by touching the keys of the virtual piano on screen. On a laptop or desktop computer, you may use the mouse to play melodies and the computer's keyboard to play chords. The virtual piano will play like a real piano without needing one. It will let you learn new songs, improvise, and help you compose your own music. For many of our students, the virtual piano is the perfect previous step to buying a real instrument. But even if you already own an instrument, I can guarantee you that the virtual piano will become one of your favorite apps, as it will let you practice piano anywhere. Take the virtual piano anywhere you go. Practice your music lessons at a coffee place, while taking a break at your office or workplace, or even at bed. Practice piano at the beach, on the mountains, or anywhere you go while on vacation. The virtual piano goes where you go and lets you practice without needing a real piano. Get the Piano Encyclopedia's virtual piano. It will be your perfect companion as you learn the secrets of music. Order now.